Wagwan guys, Upwork has made some new changes to boost your profile feature. So if you want to boost your profile on Upwork, now you can attach a video, so you can see boost your profile more like a video ad. So go to this particular portion of your Upwork account, click on boost, click on the pencil icon, then you can see the boost now. So you can see now this video, it's actually optional, so you can see it helps you to get on top of searches, and it's better to be on top of search for clients that are actually looking for you rather than you pitching to client or begging them to proposal. So you can click upload. So I already made a 1 minute video. I had a longer video that was about 2 minutes. I had to like cut out some parts to ensure that it fits into a 1 minute duration. That's 60 seconds duration. So I've completely uploaded the video. You can see that's the video. I'm just playing it to see if everything works fine.
To you, I am Sunday, a top 3% global talent that's flexible and has little extra.
So I had to forward it fast so I don't take your time in this video. It's good to show proof in your profile video. This is also my introduction video, just a bit longer. Okay, so since everything is fine, so you go to select a category, then go to in my case I want to do video editing, so I go to design and creative. You can select what works for you. Then specialty, select specialty. So whatever your specialty is, in this case I'm going to be going with video editing, so I'm selecting video editing. Then now bid per click, that means that how much are you intending to pay for each time a prospective client clicks on it. So I'm going with 10, but note you can actually do lower. You can do 1, you can do 2, you can do 3, you can, even despite the fact that it's showing you yellow, it doesn't mean that you must. But then if you don't have enough connect, you can go do maybe 5, maybe 3. I've done 3 before, but for this particular case I'm going to be doing 10. Then you go to limit. That means that you don't want to overspend connect. So what is the total number of connects that should be charged to you? Don't choose daily except you intend to spend 10 connect daily. So I'm actually going to spend 30, but for now let's just put 10. So that means that if I'm bidding at 10 connect per bid, that means I would only be able to get 1 click out of this. I want 3 clicks, so I'm going to change this to 30 eventually. So then I ensure that it is at total, not daily. So this I'm just 10. You can also make it lower. The fact that it's showing you red doesn't mean you can't still have it at that. But then I'm going to do 30. Let's just leave the 5 for demonstration. So you can also schedule when you want the promotion to go live. Note I'm using the word promotion for the boost your profile. That means if I wanted to start boosting my profile tomorrow, maybe next week, maybe on a weekend, specifically you can set that. But in this case I want it to go live immediately, so I'm not going to set this. Then you can see the summary. That means that I'm going to be spending 5 connect. I want 30 connect, so let me change it now from 5. The limit, the total number of connect I want to spend is 30 connect for 3 clicks. So the more the connect you spend, the higher like your chances, the higher they push you up to the client. So now I have 30 connects. So that means I'm spending 10 connect per bid. Then I go to click boost now. So the moment you click boost now, it starts showing uploading your video. So it's uploading my video, 12%, 16, 19, 22, 24. Okay, go faster, faster. So 97, 98, and that's 100. Okay, so now you can see you are 1 step closer to boosting your profile. Actually, I'm done. Good work. Your boosted profile is in the queue, and we would notify you once it's done. Then I click done. So I'm basically done with that. So if you look at your profile, you are going to observe that invite has changed now on Upwork. So if you can click on invite, and you can see now my boost your profile is on. So I just think I should quickly show you that bid to rank. So it is on. That means it's now active. and you can see invite is now here on Upwork for those who don't know. And so when you click on it, you can see the jobs you're invited to, which is what the boost your profile is going to do for us. I have some old ones here, so I'm going to get some new invites. Thank you.